In the traditional syntax, properties are defined using a getter and a setter method. The getter returns a value and the setter assigns a value. The getters and setters often have simple statements that assign or return the result of an expression in a single line. On the other hand, expression-bodied properties offer a shorter and more elegant way to define properties. Expression-body definitions in C# use the lambda expression operator or lambda operator followed by an expression. This expression is used to assign a value to or retrieve a value from a property. As you can see, by using the expression body, our code becomes more concise and expressive. Hello guys, welcome back. To understand expression-bodied properties, let's start by looking at the traditional way of defining properties. In the player class, we have the ID property. Now let's see how we can convert it into an expression-bodied property. In the getAccessor, we remove the curly braces and the written keyword. Instead, we use the lambda operator and place the expression on the right side of the arrow. In C#, the lambda operator is used to define lambda expressions. We'll explore this operator in detail in the upcoming sections. Now, for the setAccessor, we simply remove the curly braces and replace them with the lambda operator. As you can see, the getAccessor uses the lambda operator followed by the field name, which simply returns the value of the private field. Similarly, the setAccessor uses the lambda operator followed by the expression id equals to value, which assigns the value to the private field. Okay, now let's go to the program class. Let's assign a value to the id property and then print it. As you can see, with the expression-bodied syntax, we can still get and set the value of the property just like before. Alright, this expression-bodied property we discussed earlier is a read-write property. However, the expression-bodied syntax can also be used for declaring read-only properties. In fact, using the expression-bodied syntax for read-only properties is especially useful because it allows us to write concise and expressive code. To understand how expression-bodied syntax works with read-only properties, let's take a look at the full name property. As you can see, it's initially declared using the traditional syntax for a read-only property. To convert it into expression-bodied syntax, we first remove the curly braces and the written keyword. Additionally, for read-only properties, we need to remove the getAccessor and the curly braces as well. Now, we can replace all of them with just the lambda operator. As you can see, the expression-bodied syntax for read-only properties uses the lambda operator followed by the expression that represents the value to be returned. Alright, it's crucial to note that expression-bodied properties can only handle properties with a single line statement. If we require more complex logic or multiple statements within a property, we still need to use the traditional syntax with explicit curly braces blocks. Okay, done. See you soon with another lecture.